Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a drawer or frame support roller in this GE refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. If you're replacing the roller on the lower drawer, you'll need to fully remove the drawer. If replacing the roller on the middle drawer frame, fully remove the middle drawer. You'll need to remove the glass shelf from the middle drawer frame. Then lift the front of the frame up and pull forward to remove. You can now use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw to remove the support roller you're replacing. To install the new support roller, position the roller and thread the screw to secure. If applicable, realign the rear notches of the frame over the rear liner support posts, then lower the frame onto the front posts. Reinsert the glass shelf into the frame if necessary. Replace the middle drawer or the lower drawer as required, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.